Hello guys and welcome. Today I want to teach how you can use Sendfox, the email marketing platform, to send email campaigns and also check your list. So the next thing you do is to click on login like I did and log into your email marketing dashboard. That's your account. Okay, so once you type in your email address and password and click on login, the next thing is you will see your dashboard. This is where you see by the left here the total active subscribers on all your lists on your mailing list. Okay, so if you want to check your particular list, you click on list, a particular list, you click on list on the top there, and it's going to show you the total subscribers you have for each of your email lists. Okay, so lists are basically people, segments of contacts for different purposes, so who have signed up to your mailing list for different purposes. So to send email, click on email above. Okay, it will bring you to this page where you click on, you see all the emails you've sent, then you click on create email. Okay, the next thing you do is you will see under first name, you type in the name you want the email to come as. That's where you put your name. Okay, then you select your lists, the particular list that you're sending that email to. Then you put the subject of the email. Then under the content area, I'll just copy some demo content that I have written here and then paste it right here. Some content I've already written out. And then the first thing that you want to do is how you can add an image to this your mail or your campaign. So you just select the particular place where you want to add the image and click on the icon on top here, that icon, then click on browse, select the image where you want to select the image from your computer, wherever it is that it is saved. Okay, we'll just give this some time to come up. Okay, so there it is. So I'll just go and select the image that I want to use. Okay, there it is. All right, so once I hit on open, you would think that the image is not uploading because nothing shows you it's uploading, but just know that it's uploading. It's immediately going to appear there, and then you can select it. There it is. So I'll just select it and then it will be added to my email. So I can now adjust it however I want to fit into my email by using the drag and drop option. So the next thing is, how do you do first name? Okay, you want to add a customized name so that it captures the first name of people who have signed up to your list. So that's how it's done. Okay, so you select it from the top right there, the human icon. Then every other thing is really you working with your knowledge of Microsoft Word. All those things are formatting tools. You can do italics, you can do bold, and it's going to come out well for you. Okay, so that's basically that for that. Then if you want to do hyperlink, so you want to create a hyperlink where a test where people can click on your email. So you basically do it this way: select the link on top there and put the link here in this box, and then hit the save. Okay, that's once they click that click here text, is going to bring them to this link. Then you hit save. So you see the cursor has changed to that of a hand. Then you hit on the button here by the down right. Okay, I'll need to fill out this information. If you have a new account, you will need to fill this out before you send emails. Once you are done, you will be able to send your emails on this page. Then if you want to schedule your email, you can select the date and the time here and then click on schedule. If you want to send immediately, you could just click on this button here and just basically blast your email away. So this is basically how you can send your email to your campaigns, to your email list, or also check your number of subscriptions to any particular list. Thank you very much.